What's up everybody, Alex here. Let's talk about money, shall we? Let's talk about how our philosophy, how our way of thinking around money can stop us from getting more money. Even if we say to ourselves, we don't want more money. I don't want more money. There might be an excuse, there might be a block wrapped up in that limitation that you impose on yourself. So when you really think about it, money is really just a tool. In the past, I had been holding myself back from making more money and bringing more money into my life more effortlessly because I tied my well-being, I tied how secure I would feel inside myself, how happy I would be to the getting of money. So if I was to go out and get more, I would be worried that by not getting that money, say if I was in a sales situation and I failed to get the sale from a client, that would affect my well-being. And as soon as I split the two apart and I realized that I'm already all right as I am, I already accept myself as I am, and money is simply a measure, effectively, of the amount of difference you're going to be making in other people's lives. Improve the lives of other people, you're going to be rewarded with money. So as soon as I flipped the script and started to see money as a means to give me an excuse to go out into the marketplace and make a difference, i.e. make someone's life better, and do it in such a way that made me scarce, made me a rarity, made me a scarcity in their eyes so that money would flow to me, i.e. in my existence that would be creating outstanding service, whether it be through my illustration or my coaching. I would always pour everything into providing a really good service that actually made an impact in someone's life, actually improved the client's life in a big way, rather than kind of manipulating my way through. I was hanging on to the fact that by getting more money, I would improve my own well-being. I would feel better, I would be a better person, I would be happier. And as soon as I dropped that link, that hook between me thinking that I would be happier with more money, I was less inclined to worry about losing, and I became more fearless about how I would get money. And I thought about money not in the sense of it's all about me and making me happier, it's about making other people happier. Money became easier, a reason, it became an excuse, it became a means to improve the world around me, and improving the world around me brought money to me. You might find that knowing this and seeing this in this philosophy will really help you be motivated about going out and getting money.